Hey everyone, welcome back to our latest video. Today, I will be demonstrating how to fix low call volume on iPhone. It's a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. Check your ringer volume while you are on a call. Go to Settings, then select Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch and scroll down to find Call Audio Routing. Make sure it's set to Auto. Next, go back to Accessibility and tap on Hearing Device. Here, ensure to turn off the option for hearing aid compatibility. Again, go back to Accessibility. Tap on Audio Visual, then turn off Phone Noise Cancellation option. Again, go back to Accessibility. Tap on General. Here you check your software have on latest update. So guys, these are simple steps to follow to fix low call volume on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video.